traffic is very important when it comes to affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll show you how you can generate good amount of traffic with the help of different social media, different blogs, or different warrior forum, different kind of forums. And yes, you will be able to generate good amount of traffic to your affiliate programs, to your affiliate links. So those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from tapeshchaudhary.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and different other cool ways by which you can generate good amount of income. So without further delay, let's get started. Without proper traffic, and traffic is that should be targeted traffic. Without proper and targeted traffic, we affiliate marketers are nothing, because traffic is the main resource by which we are selling, by which we are generating a product or generating a good revenue by selling a product to our targeted traffic. So there are a lot of people who are already present on different kind of social medias. Yes, social media is a free way by which you can generate good amount of money by sending your targeted traffic to your affiliate product. So suppose if I talk about Facebook, in Facebook you will find plenty of Facebook groups. And yes, if you select it, maybe if you are selling an affiliate product, how to lose weight, you can just join different affiliate products, different Facebook groups which is related to health and fitness niche, and maybe weight loss and weight gain niche, and you will get lot of plenty people who are already interested on that particular topic. They have some issues, and if you can answer them, if you can guide them by anyhow, by maybe your products or maybe your valuable services, maybe if you can provide them a resolution or a solution, then after that, if you send the traffic to your affiliate link, the chances are pretty high that they will buy from you, because they were addicted to you for your values. So initially, remember one thing: affiliate marketing is not the thing that if you spread your links in all over the world in different social medias or different places, you will generate sales. No, it doesn't work in that way. This is the mistake what I did initial stage of my life when I was just getting started with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a different thing. For that, you don't have to become expert of any kind of marketing skills or maybe in any kind of different social media skills. Yes, from today itself you can start affiliate marketing and you can earn good amount of money with the help of affiliate marketing, and this is a proven model, and people are earning huge amount of money with the help of affiliate marketing. If you just take a history of any of the e-commerce platform like eBay, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, Jabong, any of the website, if you go to their website and if you just scroll down, you will find one program that is called as affiliate program, because they knows the value of affiliate marketing. And all people previously it was traditional marketing style, and now people are enrolling in affiliate marketing because it is much more targeted, it is less cost effective, and yes, people are earning huge amount of money with the help of affiliate marketing. Driving targeted traffic is very good factor, and maybe how you can promote your affiliate links to different social medias. So initially, social media is a free resource of traffic, and yes, as I said, if you join different Facebook groups, you will get targeted traffic. Apart from that, you can join different other Twitter profiles, on you can retweet them, you can create your own Instagram profile, you can create your own branding with the help of LinkedIn. So in a nutshell, social media is a huge amount of traffic, and yes, if you can segment your target audience, you can generate good amount of followers, good amount of valuable customers, good amount of valuable resources for your product, for your services, for your affiliate products or anything. Okay, so initially you can use social medias. Apart from that, there are plenty of question answer website like Quora, maybe Warrior Forum, maybe different other forums as well. So what you have to do, you have to join 10 or 12 different kind of question answer websites, and you have to answer, you have to give them a value, you have to give them some resolution for their problems, for their issues, and after that you can attach your affiliate links and people will buy from you. For example, if you are promoting a product of how to lose weight, or maybe how to train a dog, maybe if you are selling a dog training product, dog training courses or whatever. So you have to give them some value in the answer. You have to write them a potential answer so that the person who is reading the answer, he gets some value. After that, if you pinch them that you can buy the product, or maybe if you know more, you can click on this website, you can click on the link, and they will definitely go because they got some value with the help of you. Answering on Quora or different other platforms are very easy, and you can generate good amount of traffic. As I said, Quora or maybe Warrior Forum or different other forums are very engaged traffic, and you can generate good amount of money if you can just monetize, if you can divert the traffic, divert the visitor into your customer. This is the principle, this is the motto of the whole video, how you can monetize, how you can promote your affiliate links. But remember one thing, there are a lot of things what you don't know initially. And yes, I totally agree, because initially when I started my career, I also didn't had any idea. You cannot directly promote your affiliate links to different social medias or maybe different question answer platforms. But yes, if you create a landing page, if you don't have any idea, in the description I'll give you the link of Bluehost, by which you can get one free domain, free SSL certificate, and free 60% off on the hosting price. You can create a website, you can create a simple blog, and you can drive the traffic to your blog. After that, from the traffic which has received the blog or the website, you can monetize with the help of affiliate marketing. Or else, if you don't have any money, or maybe if you are starting, you don't know how to do, what to do, then you can go for free options like creating your first website on Wix.com and Weebly.com or maybe Blogger.com. There are plenty of resources in today's date. If you are saying that you don't know, if you don't have resources, you don't have the power of promoting the product, or maybe if you think that you cannot do, no, you are simply lying to yourself. You are simply putting the work, you are procrastinating. But yes, if you take action, you can do it. This is the main important part. Once you are into the process, you will be able to learn a lot of things. You will be able to educate, you will be able to educate tons of other peoples, and their values will come to you. This is very important. You have to learn, you have to understand the process, then only you can understand the traffic strategy, how you can monetize with the help of this traffic. Also, you can utilize the power of YouTube. YouTube is a very powerful tool, very powerful social media, and it's world's second, which is a product of Google, and this is world's second highest visited website. So thing is that in YouTube you will get plenty of targeted people's targeted traffic, and you can monetize with your affiliate link with the help of YouTube as well. Here I have given the link of my other video which I have created, and yes, you can create a good amount of income from YouTube without even creating videos for your YouTube channel. Make sure you watch the full video so that you can get the full amount of value. So I hope I was able to give value. I was able to make you people understand how you can promote your affiliate links without even help of any website, or maybe without even spending any money. Website will require it, because without that you cannot work, you cannot promote your affiliate links in a strategic way. I request you people so that you can buy a domain, buy a hosting. After that, you can create your website and you can promote your affiliate links by with the help of website.